Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Girard, and today I will be reading Poetry and Prose from Danny Martin Girard. The right type of motivation. Appreciate the whole of who you are, everything that brought you to this very moment, and your environment, for it molded you into the essence of who you are. Motivation that stems from unworthiness and sympathy never brings true joy and fulfillment. Take what you have, plant a seed, and watch it bloom into a mighty oak tree. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was amazing. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of 3 things you're grateful for. I am grateful for my wife. I'm grateful for my family. And I'm grateful for my friends. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.